prenatal yoga. Okay, so we have pregnant women can have yoga. Typically, prenatal yoga is for women who've never practiced yoga prior to becoming pregnant, and so they're introducing them to the practice. But if you've had a practice prior to conception, then typically you can keep your regular practice and you just have to adjust and modify. Yeah, so that's something a lot of people don't know about prenatal. Typically, prenatal yoga is for women who've never practiced yoga and now they're interested in practicing because they're pregnant. But I've seen women practice Bikram, which is a hot room, up until like their last days.
Really?
Yeah, but their body had already been acclimated to it. So it's not something you want to introduce. Like, you don't conceive and then it's like, oh man, I think I'm going to start hot yoga now. It doesn't necessarily work like that, you know? But what's important when you go into a classroom is being very honest. Sometimes I know it's hard for us to speak on what's going on with us, but the more information you give your teacher, the better they're able to serve you in the yoga class. And remembering also that it's your practice and you're the driver.